Hi, today I'm going to show you how to save or export video from CapCut to gallery. In order to do this, first is start making a video, complete it, edit all the aspects that you want, and once you've finished editing your video, what you'll have to simply do is click on this export icon at the top. So as you can see, the video timeline is just right here. Once I click on this export icon, this will show me this page. Here, you can choose the name of your file that you want to save to your gallery. For example, I will name this car in Blender. Now choose export to. So click on this icon and it will instantly show this page. So this is your PC's directory. Here you'll have to simply choose picture. Now click on select folder and that will be saved to your gallery. Now if you're doing it on a mobile, you can also click on export to option and choose gallery there. Once you do this, you can choose the resolution, whether you want the video in 480 or 8K or in between. You can choose the bitrate as recommended, choose the codec as H.264, the format as MP4 and the frame rate. Now, once you've done this, you'll have to simply click on export icon. Once you click on export, it will instantly start exporting this video and will save this video to your gallery. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.